Concepts covered: half turn and 1/4 turn. Hello dear students, good morning. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in the online geometry class. Today we are going to continue lesson number 5. Does it look the same? From my last video, we learnt what is called a half turn. Today we will do some activities based on half turn as well as 1/4 turn. Please sit with your textbooks open. Let's start. Over to topic same after half turn, page number 78. Some shapes are given below. You have to make a half turn of all these shapes and then check whether the original shape and the shape formed after a half turn both are same or different. First one. This is a square, a four-sided figure. See how a square looks after half turn. So, original shape and the shape formed after half a turn both are same. This is a rectangle, a four-sided figure. And this is a rectangle formed after half turn. Both are same. Third one is a circle. A circle looks same after half a turn. Fourth one is a rectangle. And this is a rectangle formed after half a turn. Both are same. This is a triangle, a three-sided figure. The pointed part of a triangle points upwards. After a half turn, the pointed part of this triangle will point downwards. See how both these shapes are different. Sixth figure is an hexagon, a six-sided figure. Both hexagons, original and after a half turn, both look same. The seventh figure is a pentagon, a five-sided figure. After a half turn, we get this type of pentagon. Both the pentagons are different. Now, over to practice time, page number 79. First one. Find out which letters in English alphabet look the same after half a turn. We can see that original A, B, C, D, E and alphabets A, B, C, D, E obtained after half a turn are quite different. We can also see that original F and G and F and G obtained after half a turn are also quite different. Now here you can see that H and half turned H both look same. Even I and half turned I both look the same. Now here we can see that original JKLM and half turned JKLM look quite different. Now here original N and O and half turned N and O look same. Now original PQR and half turned PQR both are quite different. But S and half turned S both look same, isn't it? Original T, U, V and W and half turned T, U, V and W look different. Now we can see that original X and half turned X look same, right? Original Y and half turned Y both look different, but original Z and half turned Z both appear same. Am I right? So the letters H, I, N, O, S, X and Z in the English alphabets look the same after half a turn. Now second question. Which of these English words reads the same on half a turn? First one, ZOOM, zoom. When we give half turn to ZOOM, zoom, it becomes wooz, WOOZ. When we give half turn to MOW, move, it remains MOW only. So it is read as move only. Now third one, swims. When I give half turn to SWIMS, swims, it reads same, swims only. Now next one, SIS, sis. When I give half turn to this English word sis, it is read as sis. And when I give half turn to noon, 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 it remains NOON only. So the English words MOW, mow, SWIMS, swims, SIS, sis and NOON, noon reads the same on half a turn. Third question. Give half a turn to the numbers from 0 to 9. Find which of them still looks the same. The first line, that is the line given, is of original numbers from 0 to 9. And now the line obtained is of numbers formed after half a turn. From this we can see that the numbers 0, 1 and 8 looks the same after giving them half a turn. Fourth one, think of all 2, 3 and 4 digit numbers which look the same on half a turn. Here remember that 0, 1 and 8 looks the same after giving them half a turn. So use these 3 digits only to form 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers and 4-digit numbers. For example, 2-digit numbers that look same after giving half a turn are 11 and 88. Now 3-digit numbers that look same after giving half a turn are 101, 111, 808, 888, 818, 181. And 4-digit numbers that look same after giving half a turn are 1001, 1111, 8008, 8888, 8118, 1881. Now fifth one, some pictures are given below. Out of these pictures, which picture will look the same after giving half a turn? The first line given is of original shapes. See the first picture. After giving half a turn, it looks same. So circle it. The second shape after giving half a turn looks different, whereas the third shape after giving half a turn looks same. So circle the third one. The fourth and fifth picture also looks different after giving half a turn. Now consider the sixth picture. Sixth picture looks same after giving half a turn. So circle that. Seventh picture looks different after giving half a turn. But last one, eighth picture looks same after giving half a turn. So circle it.
We have already learnt half turn last time. Now we will learn what is called 1/4 turn and then see the difference between half turn and 1/4 turn. Okay, children? See, this is a maths textbook. Now 1/4 turn is made from both sides, from right side as well as from the left side. See, this maths textbook, I will make 1/4 turn of this maths textbook from right side. This is right side. So the maths book is straight just now. 1/4 turn to the right side means like this side. So now the textbook will look like this. This is called 1/4 turn. I made it from right side. Now again I bring this back to its original position, and this time I make 1/4 turn on the left side. Straight side, 1/4 turn on the left side means this side. So see how it looks. Now second shape, this triangle. This triangle, the pointed part points upwards. 1/4 turn towards right means the pointed part will now point this side like this. Again back to its original position. Now 1/4 turn towards left side. means this pointed part will now point this side like this. So this both, one and this side, this both are 1/4 turn only. Now consider this sketch pen with its lead upwards. 1/4 turn of this sketch pen means either like this, from here to here, or like this, from this side to this side. Both are 1/4 turns. One from the right side, one from the left side. We already know half turn. So, half turn of the sketch pen will be like this. This lead just now is pointing up. By giving half turn to the sketch pen, the lead will point downwards. So, let us revise what is half turn, what is 1/4 turn using the sketch pen. This is the original position of the sketch pen with lead pointing up. This is 1/4 turn. Again back to its original position. This is also 1/4 turn. Again back to its original position. Now we will turn this, give a half turn to the sketch pen. So this lead will point down like this. So this is half turn. Okay.
Children, we have learnt what is 1/4 turn and what is a half turn. So let's revise again. The first figure is original one with the boy's hand, both hands pointing upwards. Now here the boy takes 1/4 turn with both hands pointing either on the right side or on the left side. The last figure is of a half turn. Here the boy's both hands are pointing downside. He is completely reversed with legs up and both the hands pointing down. Activity time, making a toy windmill. Page 80 and 81. Children, have you ever seen a windmill? See the steps given in your textbook for making a windmill. Finally, we get a windmill shown below in the figure. Children, do you know what is the windmill used for? A windmill is used for grinding grains, pumping water, and generating electricity. Now, does your windmill look the same on 1/4 of a ton? And does your windmill look the same on half a ton? See, first I will give 1/4 turn to the windmill. Does it look same as the original windmill? Yes. Now I will give half turn to the windmill. Now tell me, does it look the same as the original windmill after giving half a turn? Yes, the windmill looks the same after both 1/4 turn and half turn as the original one. Now over to 1/4 turn. Page number 81-82. First one. A fan with 4 blades is shown in the figure. All the blades of the fan are of sky blue color. Now give 1/4 turn to the fan. Now the question is, does the fan look the same after 1/4 turn? Answer is yes. The fan looks the same on 1/4 turn as the original fan. Second one. Now here a fan with 4 blades are shown in the figure. This fan's blade is made up of two colors, sky blue and yellow color. Two opposite blades are sky blue color and another two opposite blades are of yellow color. Will this fan also look the same after 1/4 turn? First, let us give 1/4 turn to this fan. Now we can see that due to different color schemes, both the fans, original fan and fan after 1/4 turn, both does not look the same. Now practice time, page 82 and page 83. Some 8 shapes are given in your textbook. You are supposed to find out which shape would look the same as the original shape after 1/4 turn and half turn. Consider first a shape. Let us give 1/4 turn and half turn and then check. So both the shapes will not look same as the original shape after giving 1/4 and half turns. Now consider second shape. Let us give 1/4 turn and half turn and then check. After giving 1/4 turn, the shape formed will not look same as the original shape, but the shape formed after giving half turn will match the original shape. Now let us consider the third shape. First, let us give 1/4 turn and half turn and then see what happens. So both the shapes will not look same as the original shape after giving 1/4 and half turns. Now let us consider the fourth shape and give 1/4 and half turn. So now for this figure, both the shapes will look same as the original shape after giving 1/4 turn and half turn. Now let us consider the fifth shape and give 1/4 turn and half turn. After giving 1/4 turn, the shape formed will not look same as the original shape, but the shape formed after giving half turn will match the original shape. Now let us consider sixth shape and give 1/4 turn and half turn. So both the shapes formed giving 1/4 turn and half turn to the original shape will look same as the original one. Now let us consider seventh shape and give 1/4 turn and half turn, and then check. After giving 1/4 a turn, the shape formed will not look same as the original shape. But the shape formed after giving half turn will match the original shape. Now let us consider the eighth shape and give 1/4 and half turn to it. Here both the shapes formed after giving 1/4 a turn and half turn will match with the original shape. Thank you. Hope to meet you in next session now.